Hello everyone, this is Will. Today we're gonna do an unboxing of the new phone I just got, Chinese version, Samsung Galaxy BTS S20 Plus. So this came with the bag and a box in it. So there's nothing more in the bag. It's just a bag, and there's a logo BTS and Samsung Galaxy. It's purple though, pretty, huh? Here we go. That's the box. We have a couple of hearts. I think there's 7 hearts here. The same logo, same print. And there's no seal, as you can see. No seal. So I just open it right up. Now, okay, it's the other way around. Okay. So now there's a paper. It says Chinese stuff like blah blah blah. It's Prince Purple and the charger and present box and the phone. So a 12 gigabyte RAM and 128 gigabyte of storage. So let's put it aside. This is the charger. I'll open it later. I'll see what this is. This would be the phone. Is it a phone? No, it's not. This actually is the Galaxy Buds. I bought the so the Buds half price, and the phone and the present of the wireless charger here. I'm gonna go grab the knife. Where's the dagger though? Jeez. It's here. Sorry. Okay. So let's open the charger first. It's some code, barcode, blah 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 blah. It's purple, and I'm gonna slice it right open here. Not so good. Not so. Maybe I should do this. Oh no, I damaged it. Damn, that is so not me. I'm a clean person, you know. Okay, so this way, you open it up like this. Nothing here. There's some instructions and warranty and stuff. Yeah, it's boring. Put aside. There's the charger. No cable though. It's a USB Type C charger. It says it's 9 voltage. That's 9 and 1.67. That means that goes up to 15 watts. Okay, so that's the charger here. Pretty, huh? Purple. I'll put it back right there. Slide it in. Okay, put it aside. And we will do the boxing of other two, the buds and the phone. Okay, I'll put the charger aside. I think there's nothing more. Just the box. First, we're gonna do the earbuds. I think this is our earbuds, right? Okay. So there's a seal, AKG. It's all purple. 7 hearts. I guess that represents the 7 members of the group, right? I never know what BTS is. I thought it's bits of beats first. I was like, what? They're making, you know, what? They're singing a song or something? No, they're a Korean singing group of singers. I'll break it here, and that's it. The reason why I want to buy this phone is that's because I'm so tired of my iPhone. What is this called? Pro, 11 Pro Max. I'm tired of it. It's just not because the system is not good or the service from Apple is bad. Not because of the system is bad or something. It's just because it does not support 5G and the signal is really really bad. I hate it so much. As you can see that I have a lot of other Apple products, like, you know, the watch and AirPods and, you know, silicone case, whatever they are. But I think it's a time to say goodbye to iPhone now. just for now, okay? So since it's open, I'll slide it out. There's another box, like just a box in a box in a box in a box in that box. Never ending. Okay, so here is some instructions. I guess I'm not gonna open it. It's too much trouble. And I guess this is the butts. I wonder what this is. Oh, it's just barcodes. Whatever. So this is the small box. What is inside? Oh, it's the case. I think it's the case. Charging case, I guess. Oh no, it's the buds. Oh my god, it's the buds. Look, look, it's purple. It's definitely purplish. Some people say it's pinkish, but no, it's pure purple. So purple that Xenoth is gonna be jealous. So it's purple. Okay, I'll put it back. I'm not gonna test it here. I'll just let you people see what it is. And then here is the other case. You all know that is a case for a case, right? It's so silly. You can hang it with your keys, or you just want protection for your case. That's a ridiculous. And this would be the cable. I want to say yes, the cable, and the replacement of the you know, the earbuds. You know, different size, I guess. I'm not gonna open it. It's not worth it. And this is the oh, cards. We have to see this. Oh my god, it's cards. It's so, oh my god, look at these guys. I couldn't believe they're guys. I think they're girls. Oh my god, look at this. Oh my god, look at the non-committal you know, countenance. Look at the face, the expression on the face. Oh, this one is saying, oh my god, I'm so intoxicated. Oh my god, kiss me. Oh my god, look at this one. Oh, I'm so despondent. I wish there's a girl or guy I can kiss, or girl or guy, I don't know. Oh, look at this one. I am a literally good girl. Look at me, I have the earrings. Okay. Oh, look at this guy. This guy is directly looking at the camera saying, you want some, sweetheart? And this guy was like, oh, come on, stop kissing me. I'm so shy. Okay, I'm so tired of them. But they're very popular, I guess. I'm just not a fan of them. The only reason I buy this phone is that because, actually two reasons. One reason is to replace my iPhone. The other reason is that I want to, I want the different color and the heart, purple heart, on the back of the phone, and which you will see later. So, it's very unique, and it has a dedicated theme for the phone. So I think it's worth it. And you can just buy the earbuds with the half of the price. I think it's definitely worth it. So I think I'm done with this. With this earbuds. I'm gonna put it back here and slide it right in because I don't need earbuds right now. I just want them so that maybe sometimes I could have something to use. Okay, so very pretty purple. Now let's talk about the phone. The phone is laminated with plastic. Okay, I just have to cut it here, right? Is that so? Yes. Okay. Wrap. I guess I'm not returning this. Whatever. I'm not gonna keep this wrap. Okay. So as usual, as you can imagine, there are 7 hearts here, and they are purple, light purple. And seal here, 2 seals. Okay, let me break it right now. Oh god. Slide. Okay, it's done here. What about this one? Slice. Okay. Get it out. Look. So when you're sliding down, there's something you can see is hollow here. Okay, alright. Purplish. Same kind of a gimmick. Oh, look at this. Oh, instructions, same thing, blah, 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 blah. I'm not gonna open it. Here's your SIM tool and stuff. Everything there. Oh, maybe I'll open it later because, you know, it could be some cards, more cards. The phone. Okay, look at the back of the phone. 1, 2, 3. Look at that. Okay, I'm gonna peel this off right now for you guys. I'm gonna pull it back. It is matte. It is purplish, bluish, pinkish. Look at this. There is a heart, if you can see that. There is a heart over here. So even you have the case like what I have right now. I have a case from before. It's for S20 Plus, so I can just put it back in there. Even you do that, look, you still can see the purple heart. That's the point. And look at this. There's a ring of purple shine stuff like that. I like this this case. So a lot of people don't know how to use this case. They're saying, "Oh, you're gonna break it. You're gonna put it out so easily. It's a bad case." You used it wrong. Okay, you used it the wrong way. Let me show you how to use this case actually. So a lot of people. Wait a second. A lot of people would do this. Like, I'm gonna do this. Put it here like this. Oh, it's not gonna stand. Oh, maybe this. Maybe this. Maybe this. Ah, it's not gonna make it. But you did it wrong. This case is not for you to put the phone vertically, but horizontally. Why two? Why two this flap? Because you may want different angles. Look, this angle is a little bit higher. If you want the lower, you can do this. It'll be lower. Look at that. Oh, that's my face. I don't want to do that. So either this or that, this or that. So you don't do it vertically like this, okay? You don't just do this. It's so stupid. People, come on. Okay, you're gonna do this. Okay, I like it. I like it. Love it. So now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna peel it off. Did I peel it off? I think I did. I think I did. Okay, the thing is, that's not a thing. That's not what I want to show you guys. God, I can't get that out. Okay, so there's a natural pre-installed a screen protector here. Don't peel it off. It's okay. Let it be there, okay? So now you can see, I don't know what this means, but this is Samsung, obviously. I'm gonna take this off later. And this is a purple heart right here. I love it. By the way, the difference between the Chinese version and the US version is because this phone, Chinese version, supports two SIM cards at the same time. Two physical SIM cards at the same time. So let me find my tool. I wonder where my tool is. I think it's here, over here. Yes, it's over here. Look. So where is the SIM trail? Oh, it's here. Look at this. So you can put the first SIM card here, or micro SD card here. I'm sorry. Or vertically, you could put another SIM card here. So two SIM cards. Wonderful. I hate the version of the United States version, because you can only put one SIM in there, and the other one would be digital SIM. I hate it. So I'm gonna turn it on for you guys. Okay, look at the side and the everything. So good in the hand, ladies. You know the procedure. Okay. Oh my God! It's Galaxy S20 Plus 5G, secured by Knox. I wonder what Knox is. Obviously. Oh, look at this! Oh my God! I told you that's unique. I believe in your Galaxy. Me too. Me too. Okay, it's a Chinese there. I'm not gonna get in there. Oh, it's a. I can't do that. I'm gonna go. It's English. Let's go. I'm not gonna do it right now because it's quite complicated. It's just an open box, and I think the inside quite be different. The theme is purple, and put it there. Let's see if we have more cards over here. I believe we do. We do. Where? Oh, it's here. Oh, there's a bunch of stuff here. So instruction, not interested. Instruction, not interested. A transparent. Oh my God, I love this even more. I'm gonna turn it off. No, maybe no. Just do this. Okay, put it back in there. Look at this! How shiny I am! How shiny! Yes, yes, yes. Love it, love it. But it doesn't feel so good. I rather use the other case. But anyway, put it back there. Oh, stickers! Maybe I can give this to my daughter and my son. And, you know, stickers. I believe in your galaxy. Blah 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 blah. Look at this emoji stuff and oh, but whatever. What is this though? I don't understand. Why is it here? I don't know. Maybe it's for, I don't know. More cards? Come on, guys. Don't be shy. Get out. Okay, look at this. More cards. Okay, we have more things to do. Okay, so look at it, guys. Look at this, guys. Expressions. Oh, I love my pillow so much that I'm gonna marry it. Oh no, you are in my dream. Maybe you're just too ugly. I don't want to open my eyes. Oh, I'm so cute. I can bite my tongue. I am a woman, a little woman. Oh, look at me. I can wink. I think you're winking, right? Yeah, I can wink. Look at my lips. They're orange. Aren't they supposed to be purple? Jeez. Oh, this guy is kind of looks like a monkey, but no expression, whatever. Oh, this guy is gonna show us your his nostrils. Oh my god, it's so big. They're so big. I don't want to see that. Oh, this guy's so happy. He's so happy now. Oh my god, look at that. And this guy, oh, okay, the pillow guy. So that's it. That's it, guys. I'm gonna put it back. I'm never gonna see them again for a second time because I am not into guys. And that's not the reason I bought this phone. I'm gonna put it back and put it there for a million years. Till I'm a pile of ash, I guess. And maybe my grandson's grandson would discover them. Let them see the sunlight again. Okay, I guess I'll put this back in there again. They are boring. I don't want it. Okay. I don't need this. Oh, they're supposed to be put back like this. Okay, so I think that's it. That's the end of this video. I'm not gonna get into the system. I'm sorry, guys, because it's so complicated. I'm gonna transfer all the stuff from my iPhone into this phone. I'm gonna use this phone for the rest of my life. That's it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next video. Bye.